Okay guys and girls, I'm going to shoot a quick video of this 59 Apache. I'm going to make it quick. This you'll clearly see there's nicks, chips. They thought it was the original paint, and the guy who owned it before them maybe told them that. I think the thing's been, at least the red has been repainted once. Kind of irrelevant, but nothing's been done to the truck in years other than brake lines, exhaust, wheels and tires are all brand new. The factory gauges work. The gas gauge is quirky, so we'll say it doesn't work, but it does move around. The oil amp and temperature gauge factory all work. The story was this is an older gentleman who had this. He passed away. He had it 8 years. The guy he got it from southern Missouri down near the Arkansas border had it 42 years. As far as I know, it's been kept inside most. There's some bubbles on the dog legs. There's a little bubbles on the one cab corner. I'm not doing anything to this truck. It's it is the perfect patinaed truck, if you ask me. The way it sits, at some point, and these are stories that his dad told the son that I bought it from, you know, and the mother, that they believe like way back in the day somebody bought a brand new 283 and put it in there. You know, it does have a 283. It is a 3-speed on the column. I haven't washed it, I haven't cleaned it, I haven't vacuumed it. I usually won't shoot a video at this point, but I'm going to, because I'm going to be busy the next couple days. And my personal opinion is, all my personal experience, which means all of nothing, but I think there's only probably 3 trucks worth more than this truck to me. You know, that is the classic Cameo big window truck, of course, and then there's the, which the Chevy guys aren't going to like to hear this, but the iconic 53 to 56 Ford, you know, F1 big window truck, which is arguably possibly worth the most, really. And then of course a 55, 6 or 7 big window truck. But this is a big window short bed Fleetside Apache, so I feel like probably number 4 on the list of value as far as these old big window trucks go. But anyways, it is a 283 3-speed on the column. It is very original. I'm going to dye the center section of that seat. It is not torn. The clutch is great. It shifts good. It drives good. Like I said, the brake lines, the wheels and tires, and the exhaust are all new. It does have the vintage style radio in it, but it is not hooked up. So the dash is uncut and untouched. The lights and all that work. Just a super cool, super solid truck. It is not rust free, but it is also, as I say, not rusty, and the inner footwells are good. And I'll shoot a much better video once I've cleaned it up a bit and done what I do. But just a super cool truck. Like I said, 1959 Apache big window Fleetside short bed. So I'll put a price on it here in the next couple days, unless somebody wants to buy it before I do that. There you go.